Hello and welcome to one more tutorial. This one is the first one where everyone starts with how to register. So this is our website we did for the network to support. Here's where we put all the tutorials. If you need some more tutorials, just let us know. We're gonna generate and create them for you and add it here. So here is my main account. I can copy this website, this link, and I can click here and open it. Once I open this one, it goes directly to the page to register. So let's do here a test user, and I have to create a username. Let's go with test 101, and let me put an email, and let's choose a password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then you click on register. That's it. Let's save this one, and registration was successful. That's it. That's all you need to do to register your account. Now let me go back here on the main one. Let's log out of this account and let's log in on the new one. The new one was what? Test 101. Right, and the password was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Log in. Alright, so as you can see, here is your link. This is the first time we are logging into this account. So as you can see here, binary is not qualified. There is no investment at the moment, and the first question is, now how do I invest? It's very simple. Remember that with this company you can invest any amount you want as long as it's more than 0.001. So all you need to do is you go to wallet and you choose the first option, the Bitcoin BTC. That company is going to give me a wallet. So when I send money to this wallet, anything above 0.001, it's going to show up here on the deposited value. So once it is available here on deposited value, I click on operate and it will show up here as well, 0.001, and I can start how much I want to start operating with this, and I click on start, and that's it. That's all you need to do to activate and start operating and start trading and start earning money. Very simple. Send the Bitcoin to this address. You can send anything above 0.01. It's up to you. It can be 0.005. If we're talking in dollars, it's around $30 right now, 35. So you can send $38, you can send $45, you can send $90, you can send $500. It's up to you. There is no fixed, there's no packages, there's no fixed amount. When you want to upgrade, you don't upgrade, you just send more Bitcoins to the company and you start trading with those Bitcoins that you sent. Very easy, very flexible. And that's it. Thank you very much.